Gria Beji Waterfall is situated Taman Pungal village, Badung, Bali, about 40 minutes drive from Bali Airport. This place is famous for Melukat ritual ceremony. Melukat is a sacred purification ritual in Bali, performed to cleanse the body, mind, and spirit from negative energies. Rooted in Balinese Hinduism, it involves bathing in holy water from sacred springs. The ritual is led by a priest who offers prayers and blessings. Melukat is believed to remove bad karma, bring spiritual renewal, and restore harmony. Many Balinese undergo this ritual during significant life events or times of distress.
Welcome to Bali. Sit nicely. Discover the magical of the island. With friendly and professional tour guide,